की खूब और का बातें से टीवी. Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net foodish. Ordar mapi ninwan ramangi hakrdob ying jongpi.
Unong yalam jong BJP uba Alexander Elhek ubalongru menteri ke Sarkar Jela. Hagas ni pale kakhanyo Tarik Risaw arajar Posaw ula pentip Basyan ka party ka Pynbna yau Kyrtong ban penyakun hak election citing samoy ke Bansalong Gambegre constituency Hadien gajinya kendu bekinong yalam ka party hak karpoi Tarik mentau benai hanong ba Delhi. Hagajinya keran bak gelap batai ku bor ba hek ula ong ka party kan yakun bet ya kanik election citing samoy berloyot huru baklan arngut nilai ngut kelapan tiket banyakun nek BJP.
You have already taken the name of the candidate. Now tell me, the party, they are going to set up the candidate for the Gambegre by-election. Now there are 2-3 aspirants which has not officially applied, but once they will apply, definitely the party will take the best decision whom to be ticket to be selected. Just only aspiring. Aspiring cannot be officially mentioned. You know, we are going for the meeting on the 21st to Delhi to discuss this with the national level, and also we have discussion also now also virtually discussion with the national leader to set up the candidate for the by-election. See, mantra is the NDA government led by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. There are so many schemes it is given for the poorest of the poor, for the poor people. There's so many development been doing from the central government. That is our mantra. But it is up to the choice of the people. I fully endorse to what you are saying. The BJP, they have announced very late for the official candidate. So this time we have told them, that's why they just announced only recently. They have called us now to discuss there. So we'll discuss. After that only we will be finalized the candidate for the by-election.